Diving deep into the latest and greatest from Garmin, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. This premium smartwatch is shaping up to be a true game-changer for adventure seekers, elite athletes, and fitness lovers alike. If you're into high-performance gear that's as stylish as it is rugged, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We've packed this breakdown with every rumored spec, leaked feature, and standout improvement that could make the Fenix 8 Pro one of the most complete multisport GPS watches ever created. From a next-gen display and multi-band GPS to upgraded health sensors and solar charging capabilities, the Fenix 8 Pro promises to elevate your outdoor experiences while also doubling down on style and daily wearability. Whether you're trail running through forests, climbing steep peaks, or analyzing recovery data from your couch, this watch aims to be your perfect companion. A next-level upgrade. More than just an iteration, Garmin has long dominated the rugged smartwatch space, and the Fenix series has been its crown jewel. With the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin appears ready to push even further ahead. Leaks and insider reports suggest this isn't just a minor spec bump. This is a significant overhaul packed with innovation and refinement. To start things off, Garmin is reportedly offering two size variants for the Fenix 8 Pro, a versatile 47mm and a more substantial 51mm option. This means a broader audience can enjoy the legendary durability and feature set of the Fenix lineup, even those with smaller wrists who previously found earlier models bulky, sleek, durable, and refined, premium design reimagined, while Garmin smartwatches are known for being tough. The Fenix 8 Pro is also rumored to introduce a refined design philosophy. It will still scream rugged with water-resistant construction and outdoor-ready materials, but it's now expected to incorporate premium finishes like titanium bezels and polished alloy builds. Garmin is also stepping up its customization game, with interchangeable bands, ranging from sporty silicone for the gym to leather or metal links for professional settings. Whether you're hitting the trail or heading to a business meeting, the Fenix 8 Pro aims to fit both your lifestyle and wardrobe seamlessly. Introducing micro-LED display technology. Perhaps one of the most talked about upgrades is the new micro-LED display. Unlike traditional MIP screens found in most outdoor watches, micro-LED delivers brighter visuals, richer colors, and significantly improved energy efficiency. This leap in display technology ensures that all your workout metrics, maps, and notifications remain legible even under direct sunlight. Better yet, this display doesn't compromise battery life, thanks to its efficient power usage. You'll enjoy a vivid screen without constantly worrying about recharging. GPS precision. Like never before, one of the top priorities for Garmin fans is ultra-accurate GPS tracking, and the Fenix 8 Pro looks to deliver on this front with enhanced multi-band GPS technology. By tapping into multiple satellite networks like GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo simultaneously, this watch aims to offer faster signal lock, better route tracking, and reliable navigation even in areas with poor reception, such as dense forests, canyons, or urban landscapes. This is a must-have for trail runners, ultramarathoners, mountaineers, or anyone whose adventures take them off the beaten path. Accurate tracking can make or break your experience, and the Fenix 8 Pro intends to get it right every time. Solar power meets smarter energy management. In an era where going off-grid is more popular than ever, Garmin's inclusion of solar charging continues to be a standout feature. The Fenix 8 Pro will reportedly improve this system, capturing more sunlight and converting it into usable power more efficiently. This means you can extend your battery life during long treks, mountain hikes, or camping trips without needing to plug in. Beyond solar, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to ship with adaptive power management, a smart system that optimizes sensor usage and display brightness based on activity. Combined with the energy-saving micro-LED panel, the watch could offer multi-day performance even with heavy use. Health monitoring. Evolved fitness wearables live and die by their health tracking features, and Garmin seems to know this well. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to introduce a next-generation heart rate sensor for improved accuracy during all-day wear and high-intensity workouts. But that's not all. Expect advanced sleep monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and real-time stress monitoring powered by updated sensors and machine learning algorithms. Garmin could also roll out more intelligent recovery metrics, giving you actionable insights into rest, readiness, and performance trends. Imagine knowing exactly how hard you can push today based on last night's sleep and your current stress level, all from a glance at your wrist. Go phone-free with onboard music and smart features. The Fenix 8 Pro keeps things smart by offering on-device music storage and support for streaming platforms like Spotify or Amazon Music. You can download your playlists, pair your Bluetooth headphones, and leave your phone behind when you go for a run or workout. Add to that improved Garmin Connect sync functionality and smart notifications, and you've got a watch that easily transitions from trailhead to desk job. Safety and navigation features that could save your life. New safety tools are also rumored to be making an appearance. These include incident detection, which can automatically notify your emergency contacts if something goes wrong, and real-time location sharing, especially useful during solo treks. It's clear Garmin is building the Fenix 8 Pro not just for performance, but for peace of mind, too. Who should get the Fenix 8 Pro? This smartwatch isn't for casual users looking for basic step tracking. It's for hardcore outdoor athletes trail runners and mountain bikers, hikers, skiers, and adventurers, triathletes, and endurance sports enthusiasts. Professionals who want rugged style with smart functionality. If you're someone who demands top-tier durability, relies on accurate GPS navigation, and needs in-depth performance insights, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro should be at the top of your wish list. However, if your needs are simpler, say, tracking runs or daily steps, the Garmin Forerunner 265 or Garmin Venue 3 might be more cost-effective choices. Final thoughts: the Garmin Fenix Pro is shaping up to be more than a fitness tracker. It's an all-in-one outdoor navigation tool, a health dashboard, a music player, and even a life-saving device, all packed into a sleek, durable shell. Whether you're a weekend hiker or a full-time endurance athlete, this smartwatch will likely meet your needs and exceed your expectations.